So we are at the lift, elevator of Solar North. We're going up to room 1817. So we are almost here. Oh, the room is nearby the elevator. It's 1817. Here we are. Wow, as we open the door, the curtain automatically open. You see that? It's opening. So we have two beds, and the view is EDSA. EDSA is our view, and there's the swimming pool on the 6th floor. Okay, so again, this is what inside the room. Let's see what's in the toilet and bathroom. So there's the toilet, there's a bidet, there's the shower room, okay, there's a bathtub. We will be requesting for them to add more towels, toothbrush or dental kit, oil, lotion, vanity kit, and mineral water. Cool. Let's see. Yeah. Now the housekeeping staff has arrived, and they have replaced and they have added all our requests. So they have added more. You see the mineral water. And for the toilet and bathroom, so dinagdagan po nila ang mga essential na mga papangailangan po natin. Okay. There's the dental kit, you see, then the vanity kit, and the towels. Okay. So very good. I think there is something lacking or missing. Oh, they don't have the bathroom. We will request them later to give us bathrooms. Oh, there's the bulb. Okay. Yeah, nice room. There's the large LCD TV, and they say today is Tuesday, 30th of July, 1 o'clock, 54 in the afternoon. Okay, thank you. Nice room. So today and tomorrow celebration. Hello. We are at the lobby once again. Okay. We have already checked in for our stay here for today and tonight. TJ's family will be coming over soon. Nice. Okay. Primo will celebrate her birthday here at Solar North for today and tomorrow. He will be celebrating his and they also have some portraits. Birthday is almost all over the very good. So good. Some parking. Okay. Napakaganda po. Ayan. Pogi Lapit lang tayo, 17 lang. Oo, dito na. Pwede na kayo mag-swimming. Diyan na. Wala siyang bathroom, pero sa baba pwede naman mag-request. Automatic yung curtain, no? Pinipindot lang dyan. Magbubukas siya. Yo, bumubukas siya. Pinipindot lang. O, itong isa. O yan, yan. Kung sa bubukas din yan. Hindi, iba. Ayan, mare, kung sa bumubukas yan. Matik. Eto, lalabas na kasi na, tapos Bertus na, Trinoma. Yan, pinadagdagan ko na yung mga tubig sa katwalya at yung mga ano. Ito galing sa ninang ris mo, ha? Sa baba, mare, ano, sa second floor, ano, libre kape, wine, saka ano, oo, pero libre lahat ng mga drinks. Pwede, gusto nyo na mag-swimming? Ha? Pwede na kayo mag-swimming. Wala, libre. Para sa'yo, libre. Ano lang, ID lang. Nandiyan si mama mo. Ayun. 1817.
Send na lang po ako ng QR code for the waiver certification.
Sabi mo, no jumping, ha? No jumping. Oh, malalim na dyan, ha?
Ha? Pag may kailangan po tayo.
Yeah, si Oscar. Michael.
Sige, sir.
Sige, thank you. Oh, magaling pala ng mga mag-swim to, ha? Oh, marunong ka pala. Pero ba, ano mo yung alam mo? Yun, oh. Sarap buhay si Bel. Naiwan ang swimming. Ano ba tawag doon? Bathing suit. So, bibili pa ang mama niya sa Trinoma para makapag-swim si Belle. Okay. Sama ko kayo sa aking vlog sa YouTube channel para mag-subscribe kayo.